Okay, welcome back again. Now again we're dealing with unit 305, and here we're looking at the session 20 regulatory requirements, which refers to isolation and switching. Okay. Okay, let's make sure we get this in play. Okay. Okay. Now understanding how the IE wiring regulation impact. Now I don't need to read this through to you again because you have covered this in the previous video, so we can just step through. Okay. And again, here again, same thing applies. I don't need to be reading this through to you. You can apply this for yourselves now. Okay. And here is the various types of isolation systems: TNS, TNCS systems, TNS and TNCS systems again. Okay. All locations, TTCS systems. Okay. And some tells you and directs you to the mood and the mode of isolation. Now remember, you need to confirm this in your IEE regs, and you must be compliant with the IEE regulations for your period in time. Okay, so check, check, check. That is your job. Okay, means isolation. Let's just make sure that we can get this into play. Let's go up first to make sure that it's in full screen. Okay. And again, here you have the isolation regulations, requirements, specifications, giving you additional information. Let's just go back up, make sure that we can get it into view. Okay. Sorry about that. Hang back. Okay. Okay. Now again, table 53.2 now. Be aware and consider that there may be changes to these tables again. So you need to confirm this with your current IEE regulations. That is imperative that you understand that, okay? And that these regulations are concurrent for your period in time. If they have changed, then you need to be aware of table 53 and see what changes they have been made or amendments which have been carried out. That is in your interest to get it done. And again, you've covered this something in another form previously, so I don't need to stay too long on that either. Okay. similar thing as well. Okay. There you have. Again, you must comply with IE regulations in all cases. There are no exceptions. Okay, and again here you have system in regards to emergency switching. Now you covered this part again previously, so it links into your other sections. And this is your emergency switching mechanism, which is meant to operate in a given mannerism. Okay, so again, you should be familiar with this yourself. Just bring it back up a bit. Okay, sure we can get it to full here. Okay, and welcome it. Okay. Okay, functional switching. Okay, again here you should be familiar with these yourselves. Okay, and so forth. Various types of switches and relays. Okay. Okay, that'll be it. Thank you for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.